Hello everyone, today in this video everyone will learn how to use a gun or firearm safely and correctly, because a lot of accidents happen, so we don't want that, right? So before that, everything that I show you in this video is not real, it's just an example. But remember that every gun is different, how to use them and how to hold them. So I'm gonna take my toy gun. This is a toy gun. It's pretty obvious that it's a toy and it's not real. If it's real, of course no. What do you guys think about me if it's real? Nuh-uh. So I'm gonna use a toy gun, a fake gun, as an example. So it will work basically on a normal basic firearm like a handgun, a Glock, a pistol, something like that. If it's something else pretty big, long, or anything else, it will not work. So first, before we start, you need to decide which arm is better for you. Yes, the audience that's watching, left arm or right arm. If you're better in right arm, use your right arm for your main grip and arm for the gun. If you're better in your left arm, so use that. So I'm going to use an example with my left arm. So you take the gun, all of your four fingers is on the grip, the handle right here. Your thumb is right here. So basically your arm and wrist have to be below this slinging right here, so it could be safe and not injured. But make it as high as possible, not short. Because if you put it right here, well, when you shoot, even though you can reach it, this thing will pull back and injure yourself. So don't do that. That's very dangerous. So for your index finger, which is right here, this first finger is your index finger. You have to put it on top. Okay, on top. Don't instant put it on your trigger because it's dangerous unless you are ready and it's 100% sure that you have to use it in certain situations or emergencies. Then you can put your index finger right here on the trigger. If no, put it on top. Don't instant put on a trigger because accidents happen and it will cause, well, problems and issues. So if this is good enough for you, you just need to aim. So usually a gun, on top of them, you think that they don't have a scope, but they actually do. You see this small thing right here? And this, it could be used for a scope. So yeah, you have to aim, use the scope, and shoot, basically. See? Just pull the trigger right there. So, but if you wanna add like more security and more grip to make it 100% safe, you can use your other arm. So in movies and much more, you will see something like this, right? Your other arm will be below on the gun. So you can keep the clip inside the gun and it will not like slide out or fall out. But I don't think that will happen in real situation unless you put the clip 100% in right there. So when I was pretty young, I have no idea where the hell is the clip. I was thinking it's on top here where you put the ammo and clip here, but turns out it's actually right here. So it will not fall out or slip out, of course not. It has the grip and it's a clip. It's used to be like that. So you have to make it 100% up there so it will not fall out. So it will not fall out. Your other arm have to close the small gap on this gun right here. You close it. Your thumb is still with the other thumb, the first arm index finger, and the rest of the other four fingers right here, close it, and done. You are ready to go, shoot, and protect yourself with a firearm. So you just need to aim and you're ready to go. So yeah, now this is the clip. So this is a toy gun. You will find out like there's a small button or anything, a switch that can release the clip from the gun. But a real gun is not like that. So who knows? I have no idea because I have never used or seen a real gun. So yeah, but it's basically something like that. There's like a small sling right here or something like that for the trigger. See? Right there. So now we're gonna go for the bullets. Bullets have different kind of bullets, the size and the color and much more. So first, this is the casing of the bullet. Casing, okay, for the real bullet. The real actual bullet is right here. This is the actual real bullet, but it's just a toy. And this is the casing. So first you have to put the bullet on the casing. That's just how it works. Why? I have no idea why. But that's usually how you use it. Then you just put it on the clip right here. Done. Perfect, right? Then you put it inside the gun 100%. Make sure that you make it 100% in, so the gun will run smoothly, the shoot will be safe, and the clip will not fall out. If you not make it like safe, just if you just put it like this, of course it'll slip out. See? Done. Then the trigger is actually on top right here. You just pull it. Done. Actually, you have to put it right here. Your thumb, don't put it on the back. Put it on top. Right here. Your 4 fingers, right there. The bottom of your arm right here. Put it right there. The thumb, don't put it on the back or anywhere. Put it on the top. Then, done. That's basically how you do it. See, the ammo come out. See? Done. Then you just aim. You aim your gun. Put your index finger on the trigger. Okay? Done. That's basically how it works. So right here, we have the bullet casing. We're gonna remove that. Now, in some guns or weapon or firearm, you get a silencer. A silencer is used to make when you shoot or fire a firearm or a gun, it will make the sound less and not loud. That's a good thing, but sometimes not, because you put it on the barrel right here. You have to make it 100% secure so it will not fall out or break or anything like that. So you can realize that it will have more space and longer, but it can make the shoot quieter. So that's a good thing, right? Stealth mode, and it's quiet, so that's a good thing. Or you can just remove it and not have the silencer. That's why it's called the silencer, to make the shoot and the fire quiet. That's the good thing. Or you can just not use it, so it will just be normal sound and loud. So yeah, so I hope this video helped for those who really like guns and want to use guns, but you have to use it correctly and safely. So I hope this video has helped, and thank you for watching. That's basically all for my video. And yeah, pretty much, if you guys think that this video is useful and good, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to everyone that you guys know. But if you guys think that I'm missing something or a critical important stuff of using and holding a gun, you guys can comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys next time, and toodles.